benefit of the future Texas Pelicans viewers. We have to use this again.
Wonder who these Pelicans are that you speak of.
They are us.
I'm a polar bear. What are you talking about?
We've called our Texas Water Resources team the Pelicans. Could be
he forcefully called us that.
Are you guys from same office or?
No, we're not. He's in Round Rock and I am in.
Oh, Round Rock. So do you know Arun?
Oh yeah, he's a little bit over.
Yeah, he's my friend. I mean, not
How
friend,
long
but
have you known Arun?
So we were from the same country. He's also from Nepal, and I came to know him only after I joined JMT. But kind of like a friend. Well, I talked with him today.
You're from Nepal.
Yeah.
Did you ever attempt to like go to base camp or something for Everest or?
No. No,
I love watching those videos. They're some of the craziest people attempt that.
Yeah, so I probably I'm planning to when I go back to Nepal, like maybe this year or next year, probably I will be going to maybe not Everest base camp, or maybe other smaller mountains.
Yeah.
Base camp would be like at altitude of at least 5,000 meters, which will be around 45,000. No, like 15,000. I don't know, like 5,000 times 3, 15,000. So 15,000 feet. So less oxygen. We need to carry oxygen.
Yeah. No, yeah, even that is a feat. Crazy. Okay. Where did thought I opened it? ArcGIS Pro.
Yep. Let's bring that land use, impervious, whatever that is, and streets and structure, and let's see whether they are polygons. So we only need polygons. And also, I think we need to make something like, so you have your drainage area in XML file or something like a KMG file, right? So maybe also bring that because we would know like how big of an area we need to make.
Okay. So, do I need to make that into a shapefile?
No, just bring that in the GIS as a KMG file, I think.
It'll let me do that.
Yeah, that all that area, drainage areas, yep.
Okay, so map?
Map, yep. So did they make any roadway pattern file?
I still have not checked yet. Other than the ones that we saw from that they had in B8i.
Okay.
Those. Okay. Let me go to folder. Oh, it automatically goes to this folder. Wait, does it know where I'm at? See user.
You can just pull your information, I think, directly just the mouse. Yeah, just from the folder. Maybe, put that in the other screen and just, pull that directly there.
So I can pull it.
For the land use raster, maybe let's do that at the last, let's do other shape files first, the vector files.
Okay.
The vector ones, yep. Yeah, only the shape file, SHP, only the shape file. Yeah, so all other files are kind of like related, like a backup. That shape file is the shape, and all other, all of these are kind of like something like that makes that shape file a complete file. right? The
Okay.
.prj is a projection for the shapefile. .dbf is a table, the attribute table for the shapefile, and other thing is the CAD files for that shapefile.
Yeah.
It's a kind of like the same thing.
But where I have this stuff. Oh, can I do that? Can I just?
Yeah, you can pull that from. Yeah, you can just. Yeah, but just use a mouse and just pull that information to the map.
So we have this here. I think I'm seeing it anyway, right? Because this is that folder.
Right. Yeah, you can just pull that in the map.
Oh, I think yeah.
Yep, like that. Yeah, that I think that is a polyline. Okay, so you need to move that like off from old topographic map.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yep. Yep.
There we go.
So it looks like the street is just the polylines, right? So we can't use it, but just just keep it there, and let's use other one, the impervious. So let's see the impervious. What is it? Yeah, that one. Because this is, well, nice. Look, so this is the one we need, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we have all these buildings footprint, right? Nice.
Oh,
so we have a street
stuff,
also.
right?
Yeah, maybe we are missing some roadway. Maybe that was built after 2014 or so, because this data is from 2014. Also, can you bring your drainage area and all that information here? And let's see.
Do you want to see this one? Oh, the drainage area.
Yeah, drainage area, and also that one too. Let's see that one. What is it?
Let's see.
This is comprehensive plan land use. So have you used GIS before, like for other purposes?
Yes, but it's been a while and it looked a lot different.
Okay.
So it's been about several years since I've used it extensively.
Yeah, we are trying to push most of the people in the Richmond office to use GIS, and some are resisting to use GIS, but nowadays, like slowly people are getting it. So I mean, this is a great software to automate and like make things easier. So okay, can you zoom into that area, like that area, our drainage area?
Slow. Why is it not letting me turn it on and off? Must be this stuff. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is showing up. Yep. So maybe just we need to change color for the drainage areas. It's white in color, so maybe we'll just do that different.
Seems like not letting me to reformat it. You see that?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's, I guess, that's okay, but you can see it from there, right? I mean, it's hard for me to see from here.
Hard to. I don't know if there's something holding it back that I don't see. It just seems kind of frozen because it's not letting me.
Right.
Is that normal?
Okay.
Oh, maybe because I'm stuck on that. Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Go to the labels, I think. Label or reference files.
So that would be. Yeah. Okay.
There is no way. Okay.
Labels.
Oh, now you can change it. Okay. Yeah, maybe I'll do some dark color like black or something.
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's do this
if
now.
you know how to do it, let me know.
I think you
I would think that-
yeah, when you click on that line, I think it should give you the option to change it, but I don't know why it is not working now. Okay. I mean, but
Is it-
you
Oh,
can
this one
see,
does. Okay, wait.
but you
Oh,
can
wait, over
see,
here. Oh, symbology cannot be modified. Okay.
but you can see from there, right? Like clearly how this drainage
Yes.
area is laid out. Okay. So so now the first thing is let's make a shape file. Let's
Okay.
create a new shape file, a blank shape file. That is kind of like a rectangle or whatever, maybe or irregular polygon that covers all that drainage areas and all of our project area, like a kind of like our area for our land use, like
Okay.
So you can directly go to view. You can go to the view on the top of your there, and you can catalog pane. I think just underneath the view. Yep, the catalog pane. I think. Yep,
Okay.
and go to your Shelton shop. Where is your geo database?
Oh, the geodatabase. Here. looks like.
Right click. Yeah, right click that thing. And what is that? New. Yep, feature class.
Feature class, not a. I don't want to do a shape file outside of that.
Yeah, that's feature class is a shape file. Yeah, just give it a like a maybe area or something like land use area, whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Just go to next. Yeah, next. Yeah, let's change this. Let's do this. The projected coordinate system state plane NAD 1983 US feet. NAD 1983 US feet down. No.
Okay.
That one. Yep. Yeah, expand that and go to the Virginia North. This is in Virginia North, right? Yeah, Stafford is in Virginia North. Down. Baby, are you down?
Yeah.
Okay. Virginia. Oh, that's
nope,
Utah. Yep, that one. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yep. Next, finish. Yep. So we have now area. Okay. So so that is the area now. So what do we need to you can just go to the edit on the top, just right of your view. Right, yeah, that one. And click on the create. Yep, create. And now you can click to the area for clip on the right. And yep, now you can choose one of the options there. You can just choose the first one because that is irregular polygon. Just make a polygon to cover all that your drainage area. Be a little bit more conservative because if drainage area changes, you want to cover everything for the project and everything for your drainage area.
Okay.
Yeah, cover everything. Yeah. Also, like, do not make like too big, like because too big. Also, like we need to work on that land use on the bigger area, right? So, and just make it something like cover all the drainage area and the project area. So it can be a irregular polygon. It doesn't have to be a rectangular, the regular polygon. It can be whatever shape. Just neither big nor small, just to cover everything. I think that works. Yeah.
How do I modify this feature? Let's
Oh,
see.
there is, you can go to the edit vertices. Go to that
Edit
right,
what?
right on the right, yeah, right, edit vertices, yep. So you can just move those vertices.
They tighten it up a little bit. These are the areas down in here.
Yeah, okay.
That look good?
Yeah,
Or you
that's
think
fine.
smaller? Okay.
Does that cover all the drainage areas? I think it covers,
Yes,
right?
it should. Maybe I'll
Okay.
expand this one a little more, just in case I messed that up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Yep, that looks good.
Is there a save edits?
Yeah,
Okay.
yep, save edit. And now this particular shape file is in p.projected statement not, right? So
Yes.
let's project our impervious 2013-14. That is also in the same coordinate system, Virginia not first. And we
This
need to
one?
click, yeah, that one. You need to go to analysis. Analysis on the top, yep. Tools on the bottom of the analysis, yep. And find the tools project. Just type project. Okay, yeah, the first one.
That one.
Yeah, you can just hit the
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
click the
Project
yeah,
another.
double click that and open, yeah. So now yeah, let's put that over there. Yep, and your output coordinate system is Virginia. So you need to click that globe icon.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to go
Could I
there.
just click
Yeah.
on this one since we've assigned it there?
Oh yeah, yep, definitely. Area for a clip. Yep, definitely good idea. That's okay, and you can just hit run. Okay, that's good. So let's now clip it. Now let's clip that projected area.
Okay.
Using that area for clip, right?
Yeah. This.
Yeah,
oh, wait.
clip.
Um,
Yeah,
this
that's
is the
good.
right one. Yeah, that's the
Yeah, that's
projected
the right
one.
one.
Okay.
That's the right one.
And then,
Area for clip. Yep, run it. Okay, now let's yeah, let's only keep that clipped, and you can just remove all others. Yeah, keep the area for clip and the impervious clip. Although you can just remove it. Yeah, you remove that too. That one too. Yep, we don't need that. We don't need drainage area also. Yeah, we don't need that too now.
You don't need that anymore?
Yeah, we don't need that. I mean, that is only to define our area, right? So now we have our area. We don't need that Stafford Street also.
Okay.
Because the more the data, it will just slow down the GIS. Okay. So now we have a defined area, impervious, right?
Yes.
So this impervious may not be a complete impervious. It may lack some things. We need to define that nearby our project site.
Can I add an aerial? Let's see, to be able to see better. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good idea. The image is the first one. Let's see the first one.
So
Yep.
Looks pretty decent.
Yep, looks pretty decent. Nice. I mean, like the engineering, like civil engineering, we don't need to be like exact, yeah. Right? I mean,
exactly.
If there is this is pretty much good. I mean, maybe we need to update a few things here and there, and maybe we need to all definitely update around our project site based on our survey. But beyond our project site, this is pretty good.
Mm-hmm. And even our project site looks Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't know
Yep.
how much you can trust Aerial.
Yeah, that may be just due to the projection, or
Yeah.
whatever. Yeah.
But just, yeah, I would think.
Yeah.
That the
Let's.
main thing is going to be adding the forest, right?
Yeah. So now, so it looks like I did not find any forest area on their database, right? So we have to use that. You already downloaded that land use raster from the ArcGIS server, right?
Yeah. Should we add that in here?
Yeah. Can you go to that folder? No, like just browse that folder through the Windows Explorer. Yeah. Yeah, go to that folder and let's see, because we don't know, we don't know, no, not that one, other one,
Let's see.
third folder. Yep, raster tile, put the raster tile. And just sort this by the type. Right now it is based on a date modified. Yeah, let's go to the TIF files. Just the TIF, this is the TIF. Yeah, it should be on the bottom somewhere.
TFW or TIF?
TIF, yep,
These.
those one. So select all those TIF and put it in the GIS, because we don't know which one is yeah, for our project, right?
Yeah.
We just need to figure out. I mean, this is usually the way I select and just put it, yeah. And let's.
Okay.
Oh,
let's see.
is it outside?
I should have put it above the world imagery. Let me just turn off the.
Yeah, just turn off the old imagery. Yep. Okay, let's click on that raster there.
This one?
Yep, let's click and let's see which one is that one.
Select?
No. Just go to the Explorer and just click it on the Explorer on the. Let me request a control also so that I can sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, so the Explorer is here.
Oh.
Yeah, let's click that. And you can just click here, right? Oh, first let's turn off our area. Otherwise it will just, right? So let's click this area.
1678.
Yeah. Keep that, right? Keep that and keep that one and remove all others. Right?
Okay. I'm going to turn them off for now.
Yeah, maybe just, yeah, I would just select everything and remove and only bring that one. Because
okay.
Yeah, because it will be slow, like, with all that. It's a huge area. It's 1 gigabytes of area. Just yeah, I would just N1678. So I'll just go to that folder again and just bring that one. (1678). Yep. Nice. Okay. Now let's clip this thing using our area for a clip.
Wondering if I can. Let me see. Clip it. Okay.
Yeah, just clip it. Yeah, just go to the.
It's very big. I'm wondering if you can change, if we can only show the green that you're probably getting there. So
No,
we go to tools.
Yep, clip project. Maybe not. I don't know whether this. Yeah, just type it like clip raster. Let's see if there is another. Yep, that one.
See, I did use a lot of GIS back in the day. Some things haven't changed. Whole interface is different.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, area for a clip. That's fine. Yeah.
Did we need to reproject it?
No, just clip it and we can reproject it later. So that's fine. GIS, generally, yeah, GIS, even though if it is in different projection, it will clip it in the right way.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, remove the other one, the bigger one, and just let's. Yeah, this is in which coordinate system? Source. It will be in a source. Go to the special reference at the last. Okay, so it is in Horn state plan. So you can convert that into the just the state plan. Yeah, Horn is even better, but that's okay. Let's just convert that in the state plan, state plan, like I mean regular state plan coordinate system.
Okay. We're gonna. Where's the reproject tool, right?
Yeah, the project raster. There is a different. Yeah, raster. It is a little different, I think, but it. Yeah, that one. Yeah, output coordinate system. You can choose from there. Yep. Yeah, hit OK. I think that's it. Okay. Now again, go to the tools and tools. We need to find, I think, raster to feature, something like tools, the search tools like raster to feature.
Feature class.
Or maybe raster to polygon or something. Let's see. Yeah, that one. Yep.
And you want just the
yeah, input the projected one. Yep. The upper one. Yeah, that's okay. Oh yeah, to choose that one. The value. Yeah, value is good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Value or
value. Yeah. Yeah. Let's yeah, simplify it. That's fine. Let's run it. Okay. Yeah, let's turn off the raster now. So now it has been converted to the polygon, right? So to that upper one. Yep. So now I think I provided you in the teams which one is the forest. Let's go and check those numbers. What was that number? 41, 42, 91. Yeah, my message there. Yep.
Oh.
41, 42, 42, 51, and 91. Okay. So let's now export. Yeah, right click and there is option, go to the data and export features, right? Now go to the filter, yeah. Now we need to, where grid code is equals to, grid code, yep, is equals to 41. Yeah, add plus. And 42? Instead of and, no.
Oh.
Instead of and, just let's do or. Over there.
Okay.
Yeah, 41. First one is 41 and then second one is 42. 41 and add the next clause and that end should be or. Okay. Because 41, 42 and 51 and 91, all of those can be regarded as a forest. Because in Virginia we only have 3 different types of land use. Yep. 41, what is it? The 51 and 91, I think.
It doesn't look like there's a 51, there's a 91.
Okay, if there is no 51, good. Yeah, let's convert that. So this
would be
the forest.
Woods, forest.
Yeah, woods or forest. This type forest.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, just turn off the measure. Do not remove that yet because we may need the help for the impervious also, because that also has an impervious. I can provide you the grid code. You can also search a USGS website to figure out what is impervious. So now you have okay, it looks good, right?
Yeah.
So we kind of like, yeah, yep. So that is forest. So we need to clean up. Now we need to clean up this land use file. So how do we clean? So this is what we get from the third party, like from the county, from the outside source, right? Now we have our input, we have our inside source, which is our survey. Now.
So now we just need Jonathan to go and make sure nothing overlaps.
Yeah, that we can do at the last, like the final. We don't need to worry about that now. So now we need to bring our survey, like our survey, roadway footprint, everything, because the land use should be exactly correct in our project site. It can be off beyond our project, but it should be exactly right in our project site, right?
Okay.
So we need to bring our survey file, and we need to figure out what they define as a wood and what they define as impervious, like roadway footprints and wood footprint, everything, and we need to combine that to this thing, right? And we need to merge those two. We need to merge woods with whatever forest area we get this, and whatever impervious we have it here. So we need to combine those. So let's combine our survey and this thing together and make a final forest and final impervious. And if this forest and impervious is overlapping, always erase the impervious from the forest, and that will get you the final forest.
Okay.
Right? There is erase tool here, analysis tools. You can find just type erase, and you can erase impervious from forest, so that it will just erase the overlapping area, and you'll just get the final forest. So that will be the last item to do. Before that, now let's bring the survey and figure out all those layers. And before bringing that, first convert that into the statement coordinate system using that scale factor, right? V dot scale factor, because our project is in V dot coordinate system. We need to bring that in standard, like a statement coordinate system. You can probably do this, like you can probably do make a user defined file like your working file and reference the survey using that scale factor, so that it will be in statement, and copy that in your user defined file, all the survey, and make a list of the layer that you want to bring that as a forest, right? All the woods layer, whatever you define as forest, all the brush, all the whatever trees, whatever.
So we'll start with the seed, right?
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, I mean the blank file, whatever. Yeah. And let's bring that in the GIS and combine it with forest, and all of the forest, all of the survey, the roadway footprint, edge of the pavement, sidewalk, whatever you have, because this impervious that we brought from the third party system is from 2014, right? So we may need to update based on our survey, and also based on the aerial view. If you have an aerial view, you can bring that too, and you can just update our land use based on the aerial view. So for that, you can just use that edit option, right? You can just click the edit and just modify the polygons that you can do.
Okay.
And I think you guys can now, yeah.
This is what you're talking about, though, right? We would.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, that's fine.
And then we would reference in the survey.
Right.
Okay, we need to kick me off at Probably 2:10 at least at the latest. So I have to present at this meeting. I have to open up some other stuff, so the computer's not waiting on me.
Yeah, and I need to attend that meeting too, so.
Okay.
Sorry, we're having to use so much of your time. See.
I think from here, I think you guys can move ahead, like, making forest impervious, combining with the survey. And when you make
So
your
I'm not quite sure how we'll extract this out of the survey. Let's see.
okay, yeah, let's.
See, it is in. Let's see. I don't even know. See if I can even find our survey file. So it's there, survey. Looks like that one is what we're gonna bring in. No, yeah.
The survey one, yeah, go to that folder again. Oh,
do they not do it in open roads?
What is the survey?
It's a good question. So this
Yeah,
is under
there it is.
design survey.
Yeah, that
right
one
there.
I think. That one I think.
It's,
Yeah. I guess they are still working on the survey. That's why it is a preliminary survey, I guess. But that should be good.
I guess it's a V8I file. That's why it's not showing up.
That's fine. You can just.
No, it's still not there.
Yeah, just do the open road. I think that should be okay. Open Road Designer Connect C 2021. Yep. Open Road Designer C 2021. Yeah, I think that should be okay. Oh. Are they working?
They show some files in here.
Yeah, why it is not showing up? It is. I mean, it's a DGN file, so it should show up all the DGN files, right? Even though it is from like version 8 or other version. Interesting. Well, maybe just do the all documents.
Huh, so weird.
Is it not under survey folder? Can you check the original folder? I mean, in the back, in your project wise.
Oh wait, am I somewhere? Oh, design survey. That's what it is.
Oh, yeah, design survey.
Wait, is that what I did? Design. Yeah, that's what I did.
It's still design survey, right?
Yeah.
2020 03031 040 design. That is weird. Like, yeah, that should come up like preliminary. The DGN.
Twenty 0331 040 design survey. What in the world?
Yeah, that's interesting. I don't know. Are you sure the folder is the same folder?
Because that was interesting. Because you had some stuff in your working file that I was like, oh, I hadn't seen that. We have a survey for this.
Because I know, like, I referenced some of those survey files. I made a folder there somewhere.
Yeah.
And I referenced those survey thing. I think is that maybe this is the wrong folder. I think Can you open like other like your browser, like your project-wise browser? And let's see. This is 040 tax inside design, inside survey. Okay. Yeah, this is it. Maybe if, instead of a designer key 2021, maybe we need to choose
Oh man,
I don't
no.
application. In the application, maybe we need to choose, I don't know, like version 8 or whatever.
Okay. Oh, where was that? Oh,
Yeah, I'm not sure why it is not showing up. It's bizarre. I mean, it's the same thing. It's a Digian, you know.
yeah.
Unless we are looking at the wrong folder.
So I'm pretty sure we're not.
Yeah,
Let's see.
maybe. Maybe is there option to like the last option? Maybe something like all application or something. All application. Yep, that one. Okay. Yep. I don't know. Maybe those files. We need to change the settings, but now I think it worked. So let's choose the survey preliminary.
Survey.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
And I'm gonna want to give this.
Yeah, you don't need to. No. Just
No?
wait. No. Just close this. So I will show you the easiest way. Let's not do anything here.
Okay. So we got that reference.
Because you want to use this your user file like again and again for so many purposes, right?
Mhm.
So what I want to do is, you know, that scale factor. So what was the scale factor? 1.40 and something. You can. What was that scale factor?
What did I say? I saved OneNote. Let's see.
Scale factor for this project 1 point. That should be in a another survey file.
Yeah, I was pretty sure I screenshotted it, but did not. Put it in the survey.
Yeah, you can also reference that file. Yeah, again, go to the reference and maybe reference that file to see.
Here.
The other way, I mean, I don't think it has that thing.
Okay.
Does it? No.
No.
No. Yeah. Let's attach another file to see what's the scale factor. Time.
Which one? Which file?
Go to the again same folder, the survey.
Okay.
Yeah, design survey. Yes, CTL. The survey points, that one. Yep. Let's reference that. Yep. Let's zoom over that table. No, go down a little bit.
There?
No, like below
This?
in the table. Yeah. Yes. 4 zeros and 56132. Right? Four zeros and 56132.
Okay.
So that's the
I want to
point.
do this one.
4 zeros and 56132. Okay, so that's the, yeah, you can just dereference this thing and just remove that file. I think we don't need that, only for that code.
No.
Yeah, it's easy now. Yep, that's the way.
Okay.
Did you say you have a meeting or something?
Yeah, I gotta wait 5 more minutes.
Okay.
Too. Yeah. Okay, so we want to turn this one off.
Yeah, for that survey, now let's apply that scale factor in the denominator, that box below.
This one or this one?
Other one. Yep, that one. That one. Yep.
This one?
No, other one.
Okay.
Yeah. So by applying this scale factor in this box, it is doing nothing but just multiplying, just dividing all these northing and easting by that number, right? So that's how it is converting.
4 zeros.
Yeah, 4 zeros and 56132.
Yeah.
Yeah, just hit enter now and okay. Now right click on the survey to reference.
Right. Okay.
And merge into master. And click somewhere in the, yeah, click there. Hit OK. Okay. Now close the reference. Now you have copied everything from your survey file here, and you already projected your survey into the standard state plan coordinate system, right? And the
yes.
North.
But I don't need to do it here.
Yeah, you don't need to do it. Yeah, just cancel this thing. So the way why I'm telling you to do through the scale factor is you need to do this multiple times, and and by using scale factor, you will exactly know, like, okay, you have done that. Sometimes we also need to convert the roadway. We also need to convert other things. Now this file, you can update this file in your project wise and export that into desktop and bring that in the GIS. Right.
So should I check it in?
Yeah, you can check it in or update the server copy, whatever. And you know, like all of these lines is the payment is, yes. Right? So this is your impervious. So you want to make that accurate with your land use in the GIS. And for example, this is your woods, like the forest, right? This line.
Is it definitely, or is that
yes.
some survey seeing a tree and drawing a wiggle?
Yes. So this is what layer it is in. It is, you can get that layer when you click it.
Okay.
Vegetation, something like. So there are a lot of layers in the vegetation group. So you can.
I would.
Yeah, when you
be more inclined to trust what was in GIS as far as woods goes. But
yeah, let's bring this in the GIS, and when you export everything, vegetation, woods, whatever you think is a forest. Don't import any. Don't export anything that is turf or anything. Just make sure you are only exporting the woods, the forest, actual forest, right? Don't just, if something is defined as a turf or the grass or whatever, let's not do that. Just import the forest. And also for the impervious, let's export all the edge of pavement, all the sidewalks, whatever that thing is, and let's try to make a polygon out of that, right? And let's merge all of your impervious from survey to the impervious that you have already created, and merge all of this survey forest to the whatever forest we have created. And after merging everything, now you need to dissolve that forest separately, and you have to dissolve that impervious separately. Now that would be a complex step, like 2 complex steps. And now it's time to delete the overlapping parts. Now you subtract impervious from forest to delete all that overlaps, right? And now you have your final forest in final impervious that you can name as a small cap forest and small cap impervious. And now you can export that to. First, you need to shape those two shape files somewhere in the project wise.
So we would make. Oh wait, do I need to draw shapes in DGNs first? Is that what you're saying?
You can do that in GIS. You don't need to do here. Yeah, you can just do that in GIS.
And then, so I imagine that's a process, right? Because all we have is lines, so you have to draw in lines over everything.
Yeah, we just want to make sure, like, you know, the survey. We just want to make sure our land use is correct based on the survey, right?
Okay.
So that's the key.
Because be bringing this in and kind of modifying what we have.
Yes, exactly.
Make this.
Exactly. Yep.
Okay. And then we would. So we would just we wouldn't be extracting a shape out of this. We would just be referencing it in.
Yeah, you can do that too. Yeah.
Yep. Modifying these shapes in.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Wood shapes, is that right?
Yeah.
Is that how you do it?
Exactly. So whatever works, like if you want to modify this thing or you want to make a separate polygon for forest and combine it with whatever you have, whatever works, we need to make sure like our project site area has an exact correct land use based on the survey.
Okay.
So that's the whole thing. And while you see from this like aerial view, if you think somewhere this land use is missing impervious, somewhere you think it is missing the forest, you can update that too, right? So in any way you want to make your land use as correct as possible.
Let's see.
In your project site, at least in your project site.
Yeah.
And I mean, you don't need to make like exactly correct, you know, and beyond your project site, you know, maybe make whatever reasonable way you think. But around our project site, we want to make sure things are correct because everything is now dependent on this, because your stormwater management calculation, your regulated area breakdowns, your energy balance, you know, everything will be dependent on this land use in future. So we want to make sure our project site area is exactly correct. And this is just for the existing. And now from the existing, we need to build for the proposed land use, right?
Right.
So existing, when we finish making all of these land use like impervious and forest, it will be set for like throughout your project cycle. Like this is only we need to make at beginning of the project. We'll shape this thing somewhere in the project wise, and we need to start for the proposed.
Okay. Yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
So I think.
So next step would be you guys will be finalizing this land use, and after finalizing, let's maybe get together and see, you know, how correct the things are, and then from there, next step would be developing your proposed also, and also your SWM LOD, like your regulated LOD area, and then run up reduction calculation and checking drainage areas and all, and you know, and then yeah, we are in good pace, I think.
Okay. Cool.
Yep.
Yeah, I think it's coming a little clearer as we get going. But we appreciate it.
Yep, sure.
Yeah.
Anytime.
We'll be able to modify this and get it up to date with our survey, and then maybe even start setting up some things for proposed. I'll check in with Colby and them at least tomorrow and see where they're at as far as having a shape file that we can reference.
Yep.
We appreciate it, Kaveen. Thank you very much.
Yep, thank you.
Someday maybe we'll get to go to Virginia or you come here.
Oh yeah, I would definitely want to travel. You're in Longview office, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Maybe I'll talk to my section head here. I will travel I don't know.
Yeah.
Meet with the guy, have a lunch or something, or maybe roam around. I know a
Or-
few people. I know a few people from Round Rock, Texas, the Austin office.
I've done
Uh,
enough work where we're going to you.
Yeah, Jonathan's done a good amount for
We're going to you.
Right.
Alice, and who was the other manager you worked for, Jonathan, up there?
I'm
What's
terrible
it?
with names.
Ryan.
Brian. Ryan.
I think Ryan,
No.
right? No.
Ryan is from DC office.
Yeah,
Probably Melissa.
Yeah, Ryan from the DC, because I worked with the DC
Bever.
office for
Oh, okay.
Beverly or
beverage.
Beverage. Yeah, he is from DC office.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. I must start opening my CGN that I'm using in the presentation, so that might take a few minutes.
Yeah. No problem, man.
Thanks, Kaveen. We'll talk to you soon.
All right,
Sure,
thank
no
you,
problem.
sir.
Yep. Thank you. Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.